Hi, I'm Zareen Ahmed and I'm the CEO and founder of Gift Wellness. Thanks so much for checking out our products. I want to tell you a little bit about our long pads, Gift Long Pads, because thousands of women are depending on these now, and I'd love to tell you why. So first of all, the box, you can see it's a paper box. It's got lots of information on it. You can recycle this box, of course. There are information about the benefits and testimonials about the charity. The thing with our products is, you know, when you buy and use our products, you know that you are also helping other women who are less fortunate than you and can't afford or can't access, for whatever reason, sanitary products. So we have donated millions of pads so far to women in refugee camps and homeless women in food banks, you know, and you can be part of that story. So opening the box, there are 10 long pads in each box, and I'll just take one out to show you. So each pad is wrapped in its own, sealed in its own wrapper. The wrapper, obviously, you can use when you throw the pad away. You can wrap it back up in this and use the tab to actually seal it and then throw it away. I'll just remove the wrapper altogether so you can get a closer look. See, these are really slim, extremely slim. You wouldn't believe that they're actually so much more absorbent than ordinary pads. We tested them against the usual high street pads, and they're at least 7 times more absorbent. So that's another bonus. I'll remove the sticky label that holds the wings together, so you can take a look at the wings now. So it has quite wide wings, which hold it really firmly in place, and obviously there's a sticky, you know, layer at the back which you remove and stick to your underwear. They are narrower at the top and wider at the bottom, and that's so that when you're lying down at night, you're protected at the bottom. So this goes under your bum a little bit, and it will catch everything. So they're extremely soft. They're made of natural materials. They are perforated so that they catch everything. Even like a sudden flow will get immediately absorbed. And this green layer is like the magic ingredient, because this is made from tourmaline. Tourmaline is a semi-precious stone which is pulverized and made into a resin, and then woven into a fabric and inserted into our pads. And the benefit of tourmaline is that it's naturally antibacterial. It's what they call anion. It's used in many other products like air filtration units and mattresses and hair products and all sorts of things. And the effect of it is amazing, and it's a reason why thousands of women use our products, because it makes them feel better. So yeah, these are our long pads. Do give them a go and let us know how you get on. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you again.